Let's make this cool retro TV effect in Capcut under 3 minutes. Drop your grid background, bring in your favorite video to be shown within the TV, adjust them to the size of a TV, go to Canva, search for TV frame, download the frame of your choice and bring it to Capcut. And once you bring them to Capcut, place it over the top of your video. Go to mask, select rectangle mask, select your TV and invert it so that you will get your video inside the TV. Adjust them slightly so that it fits well within the frame. Make this video a compound clip. Go to effects, search for video effects, TV, and under the TV, search for the effect TV lines. Drop them into it. Adjust the values to your choice slightly. Go to filters, search for black and white filter. Drop them over the clip, right click the video, go to extract audio, select the audio, go to voice changer, select the vinyl sound effect to bring in the old retro TV sound effect. Make the top layer a compound clip. Go to effects, drag and drop the play pendulum effects. Make the twist value 0, strength to around 5. And use the exact same value at the bottom portion as well, 0 and 5. Select the top layer, go to animation, select this Chinese effect, go to out, select the black hole effect and apply it to both layers. And to make it a bit more interesting, bring a text, whatever text you want, go to animation, go to loop and select the doodle animation, which will give you an effect of something like this.
Our society because we're afraid to say certain things because
That was a quick to the point tutorial. Drop a like if it was useful, follow for more such tricks. Thank you and bye bye.